Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I want to show you how you can share your most used apps, and then you get paid in points, and then from that point you get converted it to cash. And then this app is called Viewpoint. Now this app is produced by Meta. We all know Meta is a verified company, so I want to ensure you that this is a video that you don't need to miss. So guys, you have to stay from the beginning of this video to the end so that you can understand how you can earn for free using this particular app. The name of the app is called what? Viewpoint. Now you don't just go and download the app, you have to get a referral code and apply it for you to be able to use it. I will drop the referral code in the comment section, so you go ahead and try it. When you see a link to my Telegram community or WhatsApp community, join, and then you meet with people there. Before I go ahead and show you this app, please, this is a notice and a disclaimer. Know that this app will not make you earn very fast, or it will not make you get rich. This is not a Ponzi scheme. Everything I do here, I do it because I tested it and then I brought it to you. So it is just a way of entertainment. But even though I am entertaining you, you can also make money from it. So guys, do subscribe if you enjoy this video or you have interest in making money online. So guys, let me go. So now this is how you can actually make this money online from this particular app. So I just clicked on the tax available. So this is instructions there. They said data collection and use. All right. That is what I clicked on. That is the tax I want to do. Now they said this is a study. They want to study and know the amount of data or the amount of apps I use daily. So I'm just going to click on what do tax. So I've entered into the section where I have to do the tax, right? So you're just going to go through and read through, and then the next one you're done reading this, you're just going to click on continue. All right, it's not necessary you read to understand, but it is good you study, you read to understand, to know what you are getting into. Now they say, how does Meta use this information? It is a job I'm doing already. This is a task I'm already doing. As you can see, it is very simple and straightforward. You don't need to break your head about it. Not like every other survey that can be stressful, right? So I just gonna read through, and then when I read through, it's going to take me to the next page, and then to the next page, and then to the next. Now how does Meta use this information? That is just the question. That is it. Now they asking me, turn your point into reward. All right, it is time for me to turn my point into reward right now. So at this point here now, it's just simply for me to gain my points, right? So as you can read, we say for every 1,000 you earn what? $3. Now you said you are all set, earn 85 points for each tax you do. So let's assume we just finish 1 point. We just finish one of the tax. Let's see what they are going to give to us. If truly what they said is real, do subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've stayed up to this level. All right, guys, let's see. Now they said send your data to complete the tax. So I'm just going to click on send info. All right, now they said send info about your mobile device and how you interact with apps on your device from December 20th. All right, I'm doing this tax on December 20th. As you can see, congratulations, you earned 85 points. Let's click OK. Like I said, this is very straightforward. All right, it is not something that's going to stress you. So as you can see, I just hit 85 points, and then now my tax 2 is going to be available in the next 3 days. Hey guys, this one is not something you rush and do just get rich, right? They are really taking time to study your phone, study the applications you use mostly. When they study the application you use mostly, then the way your tax comes in, it's going to increase in the future. And then as you can know, Meta is a verified company. All right, as you can see, I already have 85 points there, right? And then when I have 1,000 points, it's $3. Normally the cash out is up to $30. All right, so let's go through and see tax ahead of us. As you can see, $6 tax is waiting for me, $9 tax is waiting for me, $12 tax is waiting for me. And then guys, people have tested this and it's really paying. Remember I said this is not a get rich scheme, right? But it's just going to put some bucks in your pocket. All right, it is not a scheme that immediately you get in or you just get rich. As you can see, when I have up to 10,000 points, I can move out $30. All right, $30 is something good. All right, so they don't just want to give out money. That's why they are taking time to go ahead with this survey. That means when you go through this survey, it's already there available. All right, but trust me, it's not just going to be easy for every person that comes in. All right, so let's see what we have at the payment setting side. All right, so as you can see, this is a vendor that pays you when you hit the threshold, which is up to like $30. This is a vendor that comes in and pays you. So when you have up to $30, definitely you're going to be exchanging your rewards. All right, you're going to be exchanging your reward by using a gift card. All right. Also, as you can see, when you are adding a referral, you have to add a referral code, right? Don't start this app without a referral code. I repeat, I will drop my referral code in my comment section. So if you go to my comment section, if you don't see the referral code, I think you will see my community. Join either of them, either the WhatsApp or the Telegram community. And then when you get in, you will be able to get access for you to join and get this app just like that, as easy. So like I said, let's go back and see. Now, this is the ones I've participated in, which is the tax I just did in front of you right now. That shows I got 85 points, and that 85 points has already accumulated something for me. All right. So when I get to 1,000 points, I will be rewarded with at least $3. So guys, I want to urge you that whatever you do and how to make money online, ensure that you don't just do things that don't pay. All right, always go for things that are ready to pay you. All right, so guys, this video is a video I never wanted to make long, but since we've gotten to this point, I want to say thank you for watching to this particular point. And if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do, and probably leave a like so that others can get to know how important this video is. And then, lest I forget, there is a link to my WhatsApp and Telegram community, which I urge you to join, because when you join this WhatsApp or Telegram community, you will have access to new notifications that has to do with my videos on how to make money online, and then new videos that I don't sometimes post on YouTube. Sometimes I just post my community link or my referral link for you to just join, sign up, and start earning. Hey guys, do subscribe and stay imbued. I would love to see you come around on my next video. So for now, remain focused and make money online. Stay updated and see you on my next video. Bye bye.